guys are having a beautiful day. So let's just get right to it. I know you guys like videos nice, straight to the point. So 1 scoop of my beauty booster strawberry lemonade in a little bit of hot water. It just helps it mix up. Y'all already know. I feel like I repeat myself on every video. Oopsie. 1 tropical lift off. This is a really good combo, guys. Stir it up a little, mix it up. There we go. On a separate cup, a little bit of hot water. And I'm going to be using the acai berry. I hope that's how you say it. I'm going to be using 2 half teaspoons, which would make 1 full teaspoon. Stir that up nice and good. Let's put that there. If you guys haven't tried the beverage mixes, I highly recommend it to you guys because they're super good. They give it a good, nice twist, way different flavor. So don't be afraid to try it, guys. I mean, you guys can even get the smaller packets if you're not sure of them. Okay, so I have my mix here ready. I'm going to go ahead and put my ice in there. And I do have 4 frozen cherries in there. If you guys like cherries, go for it. It's really good in this mix. We're going to go ahead and pour this right over. And then we're just hitting the top with the rest of water. There we have it. And this is another option for you guys. So when I got this off of Amazon. I could put the link down below for you guys. And they're these delicious straws. It usually has a little top off there. If it doesn't, straight up to use. And believe me, it gives it a good flavor, good touch. If you have some chamoy, tajin, all that stuff. But look at this. So yummy. I hope you guys were great. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.